Hello everyone, in this video I'm telling you how to create a text area using Python and Tkinter. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first of all we have to create a GUI interface. So for that we have to type here from Tkinter import then star. So guys now here we have to type here root is equal to tk. Then after typing root is equal to tk, then we have to type here root dot main loop. So guys now we have created GUI interface. So guys, now we have created a GUI interface, but this GUI interface is small. So for that, we have to type here root dot geometry. Now here you have to type here 800. So type here 900 x 400. Then guys, if you guys now if you open our GUI, then guys here you can see the height and the width is changed. So guys, now let's give title to this GUI. So here we have to type here we have to type here root dot title. So here we can type here the title. So guys, now if you open this, the title is changed. So guys now let's create our text area. So for that we're going to type here, so we can type here text area is equal to text. Then here we have typed root, then comma, then font equal to, then bracket, then so we're going to use this font. Now comma, then the font size will be 13. Now guys, here we can type here text area dot pack. So here we can type expand equal to true and fill equal to both. So guys, now if you open this, then the text area is created. So guys, now the text area is created. So guys, like this you can create a text area. So guys, thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more computer sales related videos, then guys please make sure to subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon. So thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.